am back with another video. This is an impromptu video, but I've been waiting on this for forever. So it's kind of impromptu, kind of not. And that is the unboxing of my honey's Handmade. If you guys want to see what I purchased from Honey's Handmade during one of their sales, then keep on watching. So this literally took about a month to come. That's okay. I try not to complain because she always has sales like literally like every Friday. And I think this was the owner's 40th birthday or something like that, because like most of the products were $4.20. So I was like, I emptied a couple products because I told myself, and I'm being held accountable by a friend, that I cannot buy products unless it's Curlbox, because you know I'm subscribed to Curlbox. Those videos will be linked down below or up in the cards. That I won't buy anything until I empty a product. So things got empty. Be looking for empties videos soon. That's an alert. So for 5 items, 5 items, I only spent about $25, which isn't bad because if you go on their site, stuff is a little pricey. So first up, the Peppermint. Most of these are masks. The Peppermint Deep Penetrating Hair Mask. It is 8 ounces. Can you see it? It's like taped up and wrapped up and everything, so I don't even want to unwrap it to smell it. But I got this. And then I got the Coffee Cocoa Curl Custard. It's 8 ounces as well. I don't even know what I will pair this with. I hope y'all cannot hear that music. Next, I got the Whipped Vanilla Butter. This is 8 ounces. I love goodies, y'all. Then I got the Bentonite and Sea Clay Deep Conditioning Mask. Also 8 ounces. And like I said, all these was $4.20, so that's a good price. And I also got the Blueberry Yogurt Deep Conditioning Hair Mask for 8 ounces. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, I literally forgot what I had ordered. That's it. This is a short, sweet video. Be on the lookout for these hair masks. Just all. I got I got 1, 2, 3 hair masks and a custard and a butter. So yeah, be on the lookout for these. I can't wait. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried any of these down below in the comment section. Let me know if you want to try them. Let me know which ones I should try out first as far as masks. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.